Hi, it's Janette. I want to go ahead and give you directions to our import and GM lot. You're going to pull off of 70 onto exit 32A. That'll take you over on 240 East. Alright, so when you pull around, you're going to go ahead and get over one lane to your left. And once you're over, you're going to make your first left onto Auto Place. Now you do need to cross oncoming traffic, so just be careful as you're crossing the road. Alright, and as we pull onto Auto Place, Sharrett will be on your left-hand side. You'll see our Volkswagen, Subaru, Mazda, GMC, and Buick lot. So right after the Subaru sign, you're going to go ahead and take a left into the dealership. And that'll bring you into Volkswagen, Subaru, and Mazda. You can go ahead and park up anywhere up front or on the side of this building. And then if you are here for Buick and GMC, you just go up here, take a right. And then we have parking available for you right in front of the building. I look forward to seeing you guys when you come in. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I look forward to seeing you.